What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be working on a Mercedes A45 AMG, and a little bit of backstory on this car would be that I actually quoted this car, did some maintenance on the car quite a while ago, and why am I going back today is because my client actually suffered some contamination damage on his paint. The reason being is he actually left the car at a workshop for a week, and opposite of his workshop was a paint shop, and his car was parked outdoors, and ultimately some paint overspray actually landed on his car, causing the surface to be rough, like sandpaperish. So I'm going to remove this damage and hopefully everything goes smooth today, and I'll show you guys everything in the cinematic video, and hopefully everything can be removed. And as usual, make sure to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the post notification button, which is the bell button, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. So I'm done for the day. I managed to restore the A45 AMG to a state that is even better than what my client expected, so it's not too bad. So I managed to remove all the, like more than 90% of the paint overspray, and then I re-polish the bonnet and recoat the bonnet due to oxidation from the heat, and I finish off the entire car with a layer of wax, so it's looking shiny, it's looking smooth, touch is smooth, and most importantly my client is happy. So I'm just going to end the video here, so remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and I'll see you guys soon.